Thank you the opportunity for present our research here in IGST UGM 2020. We would like to present our research entitled with the development of soil sample preparation by means acid digestion without heating with Teflon method for nickel analysis. As we know, because of the increasing of the domestic activity, industrial activity, agriculture activity, and so on, so the environmental problem is becoming a major concern all over the world. So the development of the environmental analysis is very aggressive by researchers because the requirement for the environmental monitoring. Here, some environmental analysis always need with the instrumentation. So in classical instrumentation, we can see that there are so many big instrumentation like atomic absorption spectrophotometer, UV spectrophotometer, chromatography method, and because of the requirement for on-site monitoring, so many researchers developed the portable instrumentation such as from the Ushio company. So because the portable instrumentation have several advantages such as the possible on-site usage, lower prices, higher efficiency of instrument, use time is very short, smaller energy requirement, and also smaller size. But the problem is for portable instrumentation, in case we want to use in on-site monitoring, there are still challenging in the sample preparation. For example, if you want to analyze the soil sample on-site, so the sample preparation is not easy because this is the key for the quality of the analysis. So that's why in this topic we want to develop the acid digestion method without any heating process with Teflon method. And the second one of the objective is the validation of the soil sample analysis result based on the variation of the soil preparation method by means linearity, precision, t-test, and f-test. So the soil sample was taken from the Southeast Sulawesi region near the Kendari city because in this area very popular with the nickel mining industry. So we use the US EPA method for the soil sample preparation, ISO method, and also the Teflon method without any heating. And then this soil sample will be analyzed by atomic absorption spectrophotometry. So for the US EPA method, 1 gram of soil sample mixed with the nitric acid 65% and heated at around 95 degrees centigrade, and then this soil sample add some additional nitric acid, reflux for 30 minutes, and then the temperature will be decreased up to 70 degrees centigrade. And then add with the 2 milliliters aqueous, also some hydrogen peroxide, this mixture, and then heat it until the bubble disappear. Some additional of hydrogen peroxide also added, so the mixture is heated until the bubble again disappear. This product, and then add some hydrochloric acid 37%, and then reflux, add some aqueous, and then dilute it 5 times. All steps are repeated 5 times and then analyzed by atomic absorption spectrophotometer. For the ISO method, half gram of soil sample mixed with the nitric acid and also hydrochloric acid, aqua regia mixture, and then allow to stand 24 hours overnight, and then heat it for 1 or 2 hours at 130 and 150 degrees centigrade. And then some additional of aqueous, filter with the Wortmann filter paper, and then diluted 5 times. All steps are repeated 5 times and then analyzed by atomic absorption spectrophotometer. For the last one, the Teflon method, half gram of soil sample mixed with the single or mixed acid, and then shaking for 1 and 5 minutes, time variation, some additional of aqueous up to 100 milliliter volume, and then filter with the filter paper of Wortmann number 1. and then some additional of aqueous up to 250 milliliters. This all step will repeat it 5 times before analyzed by atomic absorption spectrophotometer. The result of the analysis we can investigate or evaluate by linearity. Three preparation method of the soil sample, US-EPA, ISO, and also Teflon method. We can see here that the linear response to the concentration of standard solution with correlation coefficient value R is close to 1. So that the correlation coefficient value approaching 1 indicates that the linear relationship between the adsorbance measured with the analyte concentration is quite good. So we can see here that the highest limit of detection came from the ISO method. But the three method of the soil sample preparation produce a relatively comparable result here. The second one, we check the precision. So US-EPA and ISO method for single acid and mixed acid have a relative standard deviation value that are smaller than percent of RSD Horwitz value. Whereas in the Teflon method, some variation of acid, both single and mixed acid, produce RSD value which are greater than RSD value of Horwitz. So we can see here that the precision can be said be good when it meets the method validation requirement when the RSD values lower than percent RSD value of Horwitz. So in this case, Teflon is not meet the requirement. So we also check the t-test of the acid. So firstly, we use aqua regia acid. The average concentration of Teflon with the aqua regia acid is 3,700 something ppm, while with the US-EPA they produce 10,000 ppm. So the T-con is 28.53, while the T-table is 3.18. It means that the T-con greater than T-table. So there are significant difference between the result of the destruction method using the Teflon method with the US-EPA because T-con is bigger or greater than T-table. We compare with the different acid, sulfonitrate. So we can check here that T-con is 18.46. So this still that T-con is greater than T-table because T-table is 3.18. So the conclusion is with the confidence level 95%, so there are still significant difference between the result of the destruction using Teflon method with the US-EPA method. The last acid, sulfuric acid, produce the same result because the T-con is greater than T-table, 9.65 compared to 3.18. So it means that there is a significant difference between the result of the destruction using Teflon method with the US-EPA. So what about the F-test? So we can see from different type of the acid, aqua regia, sulfonitrate, also sulfuric acid here, that the ANOVA test was conducted to evaluate the relation between the three soil sample preparation with and without the presence of heating treatment. So in this case, we still compare the US-EPA, also the ISO method and the Teflon method. We can see that the F-con is quite big, in 100 something. So while the F-table is 4.26. So all three result from the aqua regia, sulfonitrate, and sulfuric acid is the F-con is greater than F-table. So it can be concluded that there are significant difference between the three wet digestion method, whatever the mixed acid or single acid used for the soil sample preparation. So in case for only the Teflon method here, with the variation of single and mixed acid, so here we use a different kind of acid, but we use only the Teflon method. So we can see the F-con number is 125 at 24.38, and the F-table This is 4.26. So still that F con is greater than F table. So it can be concluded that there are significant difference between the three variation of single and mixed acid. Yeah, sulfuric acid, aquaric here, and sulfur nitrate here in the soil sample preparation before the analysis. So for nickel concentration, so we can see here by different shaking time variation in the Teflon method, 1 minute and 5 minutes. The longer time of the shaking of the closed Teflon chamber produce the greater nickel concentration, which shows the effectiveness of the destruction will increase with the increasing of the shaking time. So in conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, based on the above result, we can conclude that the development of soil sample preparation method, particularly in the absence of heating process, Teflon method, in this case, still in progress, because considering that the precision is still lower, because the relative standard deviation is higher than percent relative standard deviation of Horwitz, comparing the US EPA, also the ISO method. In addition, T-test and F-test, the Teflon method as well as sample preparation method need to be further investigated in order to support the portable instrumentation for on-site metal analysis. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.